অর্ডার আমার চেম্বারে আছে, কেউ আসেনি, গৌরব আসেনি, বৈশালী আসেনি।
But we appear for the board.
Yes.
12th of April.
Appearing on behalf of state.
12th of April 2023. Honorable Justice Gangopadhyay directed us to prepare a report in the form of an affidavit within 4 weeks, and liberty was given to mention. But this is the report. But at the outset, I must say, this is not served to the petitioner.
And it has been prepared on time. 12th April, this is
On
14th of June. 4 weeks. Anyway,
30th of May 2023, I find.
let me see. Please come. Report in the form of affidavit filed by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education is taken on record. Stop. Let copy of the same be served upon the learned advocate representing the petitioner.
Page 4, Miller.
17.071, this is 18.5. Let the matter appear in the list on 21st of August 2024.
Wait.
Serve it in the meantime, otherwise they will come and say that I don't have it.
But 6 and 8 I am for the state lordship.
What is the matter?
Lord, the 5 to 8 I am for the petitioner. Lord,
Lord, this is our affidavit in opposition. Justice Gangopadhyay directed us to file affidavit.
Lord,
Did you get a copy?
Yes.
Reply, do you intend to file? Where is it?
yes. This time, Lord, also I have been supplemented upon the learned.
Supplementary affidavit.
Supplementary affidavit. Well, supplementary affidavit, nothing more, only well, the disclosing the certain list. I tell you, Lordship, my lord.
Lord, one thing may I indicate. Justice Gangopadhyay, while passing the direction for filing of affidavits, fixed a timeline and directed the petitioner, after the timeline expires, liberty to mention for hearing. This is appearing as adjourned motion today.
All right, so it should go before. After affidavits, it's usually hearing.
Yes.
Please give affidavit in opposition filed by the West Bengal Board of Primary Education and the reply thereto filed by the petitioner be taken on record. Let it appear for hearing
Yes.
because that is the direction. Let the matter
Lord, my
appear in the list
matter
for
very limited, my lord, the scope of the petition. They are praying for exclusion from the list of 32,000 untrained teachers. Priyanka Noskar judgment, we are, my lord, have been, my lord, covered by the judgment of the Priyanka Noskar, my lord, by which all appointments of untrained teachers will be cancelled. But we are the trained teacher, we have applied after the Sarthak Ghosh judgment, we have been given appointment as a trained candidate, awarding marks,
you all are serving.
but serving, no problem. But the
But as-
backup score, my lord, in the list of backup score, which has been published by the pursuant to the court's order, column, my lord, the training column, no
Blank.
marks are there.
Blank.
That
So
is why,
you
my lord,
want yourself to be treated as trained teacher.
yes,
All right, let us see what is there. I'll let the matter to appear in the list of hearing in the combined monthly list of September.
or any, my lord, the fixed, my lord, as this point, my lord, can be decided. Well, the my lords also in other cases, my lord, that has also been dealt with, that they will be excluded from the list.
My lord, they are presently working by reason of the stay order. They are presently working
Yes,
in
that-
service. In service.
Not stay on. I mean, we are trained candidates.
Trained
Anyway, you
candidates
are there in
and-
service.
Yes. Service is not gone.
So the urgency, the immediate urgency of hearing the matter is not there. I have directed to appear in the list. We will see what is to be done. Call the next one, 9.
My lord, for a statement.
Take down the
6, 7.
appearances of all the state advocates. In 6, 7, 8.
My lord, in 5 I filed the affidavit.
Mr. Busubol. Yes, sir, I'm here, my lord. 6 and 8, Lord, I'm appearing for the state.
6 and 8 appearing for the state.
My lord,
Yes.
in item number 6 I filed the affidavit just now. 7 and 8 also have separate affidavits.
Please give. And the reply must be separate also.
This is 7. No, this is 6. 6.
Well, 7, 8 opposition দিয়েছে। Same issue, my lord, not required to
7 also there is an opposition.
all are same.
Reply in 7.
7 reply, my lord. Not fine. 7 এর reply দিয়েছি 7
আপনি দেখে নেবেন কোনটাতে সেটাকেই রাখবেন। যেটাতে রিপ্লাই দেয়নি সেটাতে রিপ্লাই দেবেন না। হ্যাঁ, অর্ডার সেপারেট হবে তো, সব সেপারেট অর্ডার হবে।
ওটা লাগে একই ইস্যু।
My lord, all separate orders. Grateful.
পসিবলি। আগেরটা দেখুন তো, আগের অর্ডার কি একসাথে ছিল? আগের অর্ডার কি একসাথে ছিল?
No, order, my lord, there is an order analogous. Only one order was passed, my lord.
উইথ আছে। ইন দ্যাট কেস কোন কোন গুলোতে অপোজিশন এলো সেই নাম্বারটা লিখে দেবেন, আর নাহলে প্রবলেম হবে পরে।